how to check Temu's return and refund policy and check eligibility. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So the return and refund policy for each item is different in Temu. I'll show you how to check it. Let's dive right in. You need to open up your browser, go to Temu's official website, scroll down, and then find the item. You can just tap on it, and then you need to scroll down, and there under order guarantee you need to tap on it, and here you'll find the return and refund policy and check the eligibility. You just need to scroll through it, and then you'll find all of your answers. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching.